Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix character AI website not working. So could be in different regions, could be different due to different problems. First of all, what I suggest is make sure to check that your Wi-Fi connection is working perfectly fine. So if you head over to network and internet and Wi-Fi, make sure that you have your proper settings enabled and you're connected to the right network. Once this look good, just simply cross it, and let's just say you still are not able to approach this site. Right now, what can we do here is basically you're going to be heading over to any of a VPN. I have this, which I suggest is Urban VPN. So make sure to connect to an active VPN and connect to a site where basically the services are available for character AI, and eventually you will be able to load the site. If it is not working and website is not loading up, maybe it is crashing or not showing up on browser, you can try these solutions, and most of the time it is going to be working since it is available in most of the regions. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.